Adding and subtracting with like denominators. So first we'll review with fractions. When we have a like denominator, we're simply going to add our numerators together. So we're going to add 1 plus 2, keep our common denominator of 4, and then we literally add it together. That gives us 3 over 4. And once we get it written as a simple single fraction, we want to see, can we reduce this or simplify it? No, we can't. So 3/4 is completely simplified. We do the same thing for subtraction. We go ahead and first work with the numerators. 13 minus 7 over the common denominator of 9. We can combine it, right? So 13 minus 7 is 6 over 9. And again, once we have it written as a single fraction, now we want to go ahead and see, can we simplify anything? Yes, we can reduce both the numerator and the denominator by 3 to become 2/3. So first, combine the fractions to make one fraction, simplify as much as you need to, then simplify the fraction itself. So let's try an actual rational expression. M squared minus 11m over m minus 5 plus 30 over m minus 5. We can combine our numerator. Since we're adding, we're just taking m squared minus 11m plus 30 over the common denominator of m minus 5. Now we can simplify this by factoring the numerator, which factors into m minus 5 and m minus 6 over the common denominator of m minus 5. And I'm going to put that denominator now in a parentheses just so I'm able to see that it is a factor. And now cancel anything that can be canceled, the m minus 5s, and we are left with m minus 6. All done. Now let's try subtracting. 6x minus 16 over x minus 2 minus 4x minus 7 over x minus 2. Now when we're subtracting, because we're subtracting an entire polynomial, we're subtracting this entire expression, not just the first piece, we actually need to distribute the negative in. So we're taking minus 4x minus a negative 7. And as I rewrite my fraction, I'm going to write that in. So 6x minus 16, negative 1 times 4x is minus 4x. Negative times the negative gives us a positive 7 over the common denominator of x minus 2. We still want to simplify this by combining like terms. 6x minus 4x is 2x. Negative 16 plus 7 is negative, oh gosh, brain not working, negative 9 over x minus 2. Now that we have our fraction, our single fraction, completely simplified, we want to say, okay, can we reduce it further? Which means, can we factor the numerator and or the denominator and cancel anything out? Can we factor anything from the numerator? No, we can't, because we have no common factors, no greatest common factor. So this is it. Factor in the top, factor in the bottom. 2x minus 9 over x minus 2.